Hi, I'm Liav from Option Samurai. So normally, working out if a stock's actually any good takes forever. I don't really do that anymore. I just look at the score. This is the thing I want you to focus on. You have three numbers going from 1 to 10. 10 is strong, 1 is weak. So we have three grades here. The first one is the fundamental score, which looks into whether the company's balance sheet is solid. The second one is growth. This combines the current growth with what the analysts see coming. And the third one is the technical score. This is basically the price strength against the market. And notice that all of these scores are color-coded to make the reading even faster. Red is bad, green is good. The scores are very useful when scanning for options trades. Look at this one. Here I'm scanning for high probability puts. Option pricing implies a maximum profit probability above 85% here, which gives you a nice trading edge. But look here on the left. Every score is set above 5, so the junk never shows up. I'm not selling puts on some company that's more likely to fail my expectations. Now, if not failing is too low a bar for you, this covered call scan will probably sound like a better idea. Here, we put the fundamental and growth over 7 with the technical score over 5. So now I'm writing calls against stuff that's actually good and more likely to grow. And you don't have to use this version of the scan, by the way. Grab whichever score you care about, drag it in, set the number where you want it, and then check the trades that fit your criteria. Oh, and if you hit Research in the navigation bar, all three scores are sitting right there at the top. So what I'd do if I were you is that I'd throw the scores on your next scan, see what's left standing, and include this tool in my everyday trading routine.